What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today at Digibyte. Right now we're approaching 7 cents. We're up about 10%, getting a really nice move from Digibyte, and we're getting it on above average volume right now. So that's what we are looking for. Right now we're going to be looking at Digibyte on the 1-day time frame. So if you guys like me covering Digibyte, you want me to keep doing this, smash that like button, comment down low. Basically whatever coins get the most attention and likes and best following, that's what I'm going to cover here, guys. So if you want me to keep covering Digibyte in these individual videos, let me know down low and we're going to dig into this. So the main areas we're looking at now in terms of support, you can see we're in this little range here. Support, we want to continue to hold 0.05, and then it'd be up to around that 0.05764. The overhead resistance we're running into right now, you can see this nice strong candle that we've had today. The overhead resistance is going to be roughly at about 0.06897 is going to be the area. If we can have a daily candle close up above that, that could open things up to roughly up to about that 0.08384. And when you're looking at this, I know the price in terms of, the cent wise doesn't sound that crazy, but if you actually take a look at this here and we look at the price range, just this little area here, if we were to go back up into that area, you're looking about 25-26% to the upside from that area. Remember, it's all about the percentage games when we're looking at these things. The RSI right now is sitting around 60. So we're not in that overbought territory. We have room to make a move for Digibyte. I would just continue to watch Ethereum, Bitcoin, see what's going on in the overall market. That's always something I like to pay attention to. I look at those two before I trade anything else. Right now we're starting to get a bullish MACD cross to the upside there as well. And like we talked about, the RSI is starting to point up as well. Histogram taking to the positive, so that's all good for Digibyte. If we take a look here into the technicals, we're at a strong buy. We have a 0 sell, a 9 neutral, and a 17 buy. And what I'm also going to do, guys, so I'm going to go into coin market cap and we're going to take a look at Digibyte, and I'm going to show you what it would take for us to get to $1. Many people just say, oh, Digibyte can go to $1, $5, whatever. We're actually going to look at how much buying pressure it's going to take, or the market cap that we're going to need to be able to get to that $1. So hopefully you guys will like that. But right now in the summary, 0 sell, 9 neutral, 17 buy. Basically everything's a neutral, but momentum's going to be a buy, MACD level's going to be a buy, and bull bear power is also going to be a buy. Now, if we step back like we were talking about and we go to coin market cap, we're going to type in Digibyte. We're going to take a look at this. We're going to do a little bit of math here. So roughly here, guys, with the circulating supply that we have, what we would need is a market cap up above roughly, I would say about, to be safe, $15 billion. Right in that range is what it's going to take for Digibyte to get to that $1 mark. Right in that range, maybe over a little bit, but just a rough estimate. Do you believe that Digibyte, at ever in its life here, in its whole lifespan to come, do you believe Digibyte will ever hit $1? Do you believe we'll get that $14 to $15 billion market cap? I'd love to hear your comment down low and the reasons why. So we're approaching $1 billion here. But that's why I do believe something like this is possible. 50 cents, 75 cents. We've seen coins when we get that final blow off stage here and money's transferring out of Bitcoin, then it goes into Ethereum, then it goes into the larger caps, and then the mid and smaller caps is typically how it works. Money funnels its way down. But when you get these massive blow off tops here, I don't doubt that Digibyte could wick up to $1 or maybe even more than that. I would question maybe the sustained trading up above $1, but for a quick wick like we had over here when we wicked up to 14, 15 cents, whatever it was, something similar to that, but up in the dollar range. Maybe we could sustain something along 50 cents and actually trade up above it down the road. That would be awesome. But you can still, we still have room here. If this altcoin cycle wants to continue to play out, we still have room to continue to run for Digibyte. And when we're looking at Digibyte here, the overall max supply is going to be about 21 billion. So that's how I calculate things when I'm looking at a coin. I'll say, okay, what type of market cap could this get to with the circulating supply? This is the potential price. Then I'm more conservative. So say if people are saying $1 for Digibyte, I'm looking at around 60, 75 cents, seeing if that's a possibility. And then if we get that overextension, beautiful, right? That's always what we're looking for. But if we step out here now, what I wanted to go through was the market cap on this line graph. So we have been up before roughly above $1.2 billion for Digibyte. So we've been at that point before. Just recently we almost hit it, that 1.2. So, I do think it's something that could take place. once money starts funneling out of Bitcoin and really starts going into those altcoins, and we see the dominance drop for Bitcoin. Right now we're still up at 60.8 for our dominance for Digibyte. And then what I also like to do, as I'm looking on the line graph, we can also look at trading view as well. It's like we were doing earlier. And then this will just show you, keeping an eye on that volume as we're approaching resistance. See if we can get a daily candle close up above that. Could open us up for a higher run there, right? Goes on to say, how do you feel about Digibyte today? We'll click good. 87% of people are saying good. You know, guys, Digibyte's been one that's been around for quite a while. When it moves, it really moves hard to the upside. We're approaching 7 cents here, so that's a really nice day, up about 13%. So we're just going to have to continue to see, but I want to know your opinion. Do you believe this altcoin cycle, will we wick up or at least touch $1? Yes or no? Put it down low. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.